what? I've been hearing designers say AI is going to take our job. But honestly, it's done the opposite for me. It's actually made my job better. So today I'm sharing 5 top ways AI has actually helped me as a product designer, especially if you're worried about this coming for your role. Alert, it's not. Let's start with communication. If you work in design, then you know that talking to people across the business is pretty much half the job. PMs, devs, maybe marketing, senior leadership, maybe you work best in, and you cannot talk to them all the same way. I use AI, most prominently ChatGPT, to help me write messages that land with the right people. I literally drop what I want to say and ask, how would this sound to a senior stakeholder? Or can you help me make this sound more friendly and concise? It helps me get my point across without overthinking my tone, especially if there's something tricky to communicate. It's pretty much like having a comms coach on standby. Next up, we have feedback summaries. As I'm a person with dyslexia, having long feedback threads or emails are honestly a nightmare for me. So I use AI to break them down into bullet points, actionable items, deadlines, and priorities. It just allows me to get straight to work without decoding something that everyone's saying. I even get it to make little checklists so I can tick off stuff as I go along. It honestly is a total game changer for staying on top of things. AI also helps with giving feedback to others. Maybe I've written a research summary or a research presentation. Before I send it over to my team, I ask AI, does this make sense? Are there any gaps? Will this land with senior stakeholders? It may also spot some awkward phrasing or missing context, or a way of tightening things up. It also means there's a lot of less feedback loops for your peers because AI has already caught all those little things. Then there's research analysis, which usually takes forever. You know when you've just done a round of usability testing and you have a list of sticky notes which are plastered all over your Miro board? Now I use either Miro's AI itself to help summarize some of those sticky notes, or I can copy them over into ChatGPT, allow AI to help me group it into themes, and it's a lot quicker process than what it would be if I was sat there doing it manually. It also helps me spot some themes that I may have missed. It's honestly saved me hundreds of hours in going through all the sticky notes and grouping everything manually, which I used to do a lot. But now using AI, it speeds it all up. It's not replacing my brain or my insights. It's just helping me get those insights categorized faster. And finally, we have the obvious one, rapid prototyping. Tools like Figma Make or maybe Lovable, and there's quite a few out there now, let me turn ideas into working prototypes quickly. These are perfect for usability testing or communicating ideas with stakeholders and developers. And it just shows a concept before it's fully designed, and pretty much a working prototype, which saves me from sitting in Figma, doing it screen by screen, and doing it super manually through its prototyping software. It's obviously not the polished, finished product, but it is fast, and it is enough to communicate what you need to communicate. So yeah, AI isn't here to steal our jobs. It's helped us to do the boring bits faster, so we can focus on the creative, human side of design. You can fight it all you want, or you can start using it to your advantage. The designers who learn to use AI as part of their design process will be the ones who stay ahead. And don't forget to like and subscribe. I often post videos about accessible design, product design, and working within the UX and product design industry. If that's something you're interested in, then hit that subscribe button. And that's it for this video. Until next time, bye!